Hello students, today I am going to explain Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. That is lesson 4 of your reader. Now lapse of memory, what do you understand by lapse of memory? Lapse of memory means temporary failure of concentration. Now this is actually a suspense story. Whether Bipin Chowdhury really forgot a part of his life. Means temporary failure of concentration means when a person forgets his part of life, and it is written by Satyajit Ray, one of the great writer. Not only as a great writer, he is also a great film director also. So Satyajit Ray was an Indian film director. Not only was a director, he was a great writer also, an illustrator. He was one of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century. He made many interesting film, suspense, thriller, and some prominent are among them are that is Shonar Kella. It is one of the most very interesting and suspense movie. Not only that, he also directed many other film also, that is Opu Shamshar. So he was born in a Bengali family and which was prominent in the field of arts and literature. So they are all prominent, means he belonged to that family. So he was born in the year 1921, 2nd May, and he died in the year 1992, 23rd April. Not only directed, he is directed many films, but at the same time he wrote many books also. Some of the books, prominent books, I have given examples, some, not all. For example, जैसे कि Adventures of Feluda, Royal Bengal Rahasya, and for that film direction he got many awards also. Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Honorary Academy Award, and many other awards are also there. Honorary Academy Award means also got Oscar. Means everyone just want to get that. It is the most respectable award. So he got that in the year 1992. But when he was very much ill at that time, he was not well, and after that he died. You can see that 23rd April. So it was his great achievement, Satyajit Ray. So we are going to study today. That is his one story, short story, that is Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. Before you read, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. कभी कभी हम लोग जब भूल जाते, obviously it just put us in a tight spot. मतलब we just maybe in a very difficult situation. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. But हो सकता है sometimes we forget something and as someone, but if we'll forget part of our life, अगर अपन कुछ पार्ट ही हम लोग भूल जाते हैं लाइफ के, तो obviously it creates a lot of problem for us. Crazy means it just make us just पागल कर देना. Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi. He insists. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about? तो ये suspense था क्या? Whenever, whosoever is meeting Bipin Babu, they just want to say that he went to Ranchi, and they just want to prove that Bipin Chowdhury forgot a part of his life. So I am going to start. Every Monday, on his way back from home, Bipin Chowdhury would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy book. Means every Monday when he was coming from his work, from his office, where he just stopped, कहाँ पे रुकते थे? न्यू मार्केट. एक न्यू मार्केट में एक जगह था, कोलकाता में है ये. This is in Calcutta at that time. Now it is Kolkata. To buy some books because he was very fond of reading books. And he mainly read crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. So he had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. So he purchased at least 5 books. What is the reason behind it? Because he didn't like to just talk with friend. He was not a good mixer. He lived alone. Was not a good mixer. मतलब वो सबके साथ बात नहीं करते थे, अकेले रहना पसंद करते थे. Had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. देखोगे कोई कोई है जो idle chat means मतलब फालतू के बात करना, unnecessary conversation. When the person is talking about unnecessary things, that is idle chat, है ना, unnecessary conversation. So he didn't like this. So he just want to just pass his time by reading storybooks. So today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. मतलब close quarter means that is very close, uncomfortably close. When the person is very close to someone, तो he was not feeling very comfortable. ऐसा लग रहा था कोई उसको देख रहा है. So from close quarters, so he turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. So one person, he was just meek मतलब quiet, humble, मतलब जो बहुत शांत, humble रहते, अच्छे रहते हैं. So one round-faced person, he was just looking at him, and he was also laughing at him also. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? asked Bipin. तो उसने बोला कि मुझे लग रहा है आप मुझे पहचान नहीं पा रहे हो. तो Bipin Babu obviously asked, have we met before? The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Woodruff House. Now here is the suspense. So that person said, yes, you can't remember me. Because he was greatly surprised. हम लोग daily मिलते थे. We just met every day in a week, whole week. आप जब थे वहाँ पे, and I arranged a car also. He went to Woodruff House, which was in Ranchi. Now, in 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. So, now this man, he said that his name is Parimal Ghosh. And when they met, that is in the year 1958. कहाँ पे? Where? Ranchi. Now, Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. तो अब बिपिन चौधरी को अब लगने लगा था कि that is not he, but this man was somewhere, he was making mistake. He was was not able to just recognize. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times, but never made it. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? So Bipin Babu, he just thought about it, and he just found out that he never went to Ranchi. तो उसको लगा कि मैं जब गया ही नहीं रांची, how could he say that? And सोचा था बहुत बार, he just thought many times to go to Ranchi, but he never went there. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi. So now Bipin Babu, you can see the picture, he just turned towards the bookshelf. Because Bipin Babu is not able to understand why this person is asking again and again. So Bipin Babu just turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. अभी भी आप mistake कर रहे हो. कभी कभी होता है, one often does. I have never been to Ranchi. मतलब ये होता है कभी कभी ऐसा किसी के साथ, हम लोग ऐसा लगता है कि इसका शक्ल किसी से मिल रहा है, उसके साथ मिल रहा है, तो मे बी ही हैज ऑल्सो मिस्टेकन दैट परिमल घोष, क्योंकि आई हैव नेवर बीन टू रांची. तो दैट इज बिपिन चौधरी हैड नेवर बीन टू रांची, ही हैज नेवर गॉन देयर. The man now laughed aloud. Now the man started laughing loudly. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had fallen Woodrow and cut your right knee. Now this man is saying in that way कि positively that Bipin Chaudhary went to Ranchi because he said that you had fallen, hudro means आप गिर गए थे and you had cut your knee, right knee. I brought you iodine. तो मैं आपके लिए क्या खरीद के लाया था? That is iodine. Brought, bring, that is the past tense of bring, V2 and V3. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhat. Netherhat, that is a place in Ranchi. So this Parimal Ghosh only, he just made arrangement for car so that Bipin Babu would go to Hudru Fall and Netherhat also next day. But you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. But आप जा नहीं पाए because you have that pain. You had fallen at the time. Can't you recall anything? Recall मतलब आप कुछ मतलब recall नहीं कर पा रहे, याद नहीं कर पा रहे. Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Maybe you're knowing some other person also at that time. They were residing at that same time. They just went to Ranchi. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. तो उसका नाम क्या था? Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. So, actually Bipin Chaudhary, he didn't like the hotel food. So, where did he stay? He stayed in a bungalow. Bungalow में क्या रहता है? वो अलग सा रहता है. वहाँ पे मतलब अपने हिसाब से you can just order the bawarchi and according to that bawarchi made food for the person. So he said, no, you have gone there and you have made, I have made arrangement also, I had made arrangement and there another person was living there, that is Dinesh Mukherjee. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. वो अपनी sister के साथ रह रहे थे. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? So, Parimal Ghosh is saying everything. ऐसा लग रहा था that obviously he had gone, means Bipin Chaudhary had gone there because he said that you had an argument. Argument किसके साथ हुआ था? Mr. Mukherjee के साथ. कुछ नहीं याद आ रहा है. Not only that, you carried a bag also with your जिसमें books रहता था और जब आप साइट सीन करने जाते थे, you just carried that bag. Am I right or not? Now Bipin Babu spoke quietly. His eyes still on the books. So he was still looking on the books. He was just avoiding that person, Parimal Ghosh. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said, October. So Parimal Ghosh said that it is on October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. So Bipin Babu, he was sure. He did not go to Ranchi in the year 58. And at the time, puja, he was with his friend. So he said, you are making somewhere mistake. Good day. So Bipin Babu just wanted to go away from there. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had so that man started again talking with him. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. So that person was saying something personal. मतलब बिपिन चौधरी के बारे में बोले जा रहे थे and he said that I talked with you and you said that you spoke about your family, you said you have no children, you lost your wife 10 years ago. So all this, obviously that person could only say whereas that person, he knew that your only brother had died. Insane means mad. So you have also said that your brother died due to this, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Ranchi में बहुत बड़ा mental asylum है. So you said that you didn't want to visit that one. So when Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. मतलब utter disbelief में complete surprise. वो आदमी ऐसा देख रहा था परिमल घोष as if Bipin Babu is unable to just recognize him. So he was just looking at him quite complete unsurprise. When Bipin Babu had paid for books and was leaving the shop, the man was just looking at him in that way. Now, next, part 2. So, Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bettram Street, that is in Kolkata again he is talking about, by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, just drive by the Ganga, will you? Sitaram, that is a river Ganga. So, in Kolkata there is a river Ganga. So, he just said, could you go from that side? Just drive by the Ganga river. Driving up the Strand Road it is in Kolkata, one road's name, Bipin Babu regretted. क्या regret कर रहे थे? He was just regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि intruder means someone who just come without permission inside. So he thought about that कि regret कर रहे थे अपने आप ही, मतलब आप बोलते हैं ना किसी चीज़ के लिए अफसोस करना. He was just thinking कि why I have given that much attention to that person, Parimal Ghosh. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was inconceivable. So it was inconceivable. So it is obviously there is no chance to go there, that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. So it is not possible that he forgot everything. It is मतलब ये convince हो, इसमें कोई convince ही नहीं हो सकता है. He had an excellent memory unless Bipin Babu's head reeled. Head reeled means he was shocked and confused. जब तक वो confused नहीं हो जाता, otherwise he had a very good memory. Bipin Babu was thinking about himself. He was saying about himself. So there is no chance. So this story I am explaining up to this because this is a very lengthy story. So the explanation is done in parts. So this is the first part, end of the first part of the story. So we'll continue this story in the second part.